How to replace the side panel. Removal. Place the unit on its side. Remove the T15 Torx-head screw at the rear of the side panel that secures it to the unit. Grasp the metal tab at the rear of the side panel and pull it slightly backward. Lift the side panel up and away from the unit. Replacement. Note: the side panel has several tabs on its edges, which fit into slots and under the front lip of the unit. It also features a small slot on the rear edge that the lock slot on the unit slides into. Align the tabs on the side panel over the corresponding slots on the unit. Place the side panel into position on the unit. Slide the side panel forward until the lock slot at the rear of the unit fits through the small slot on the rear edge of the side panel. Replace the T15 Torx-head screw to secure the side panel to the unit.